public networks are becoming a bottleneck to industrial progress. For mission critical operations and data security, your industry needs a better standard, CNPN, a captive non public network. Introducing Raygain Technologies, your trusted CNPN empanelment partner of BSNL. We bridge the gap between heavy industry and next generation connectivity. You need more than just speed. You need dedicated spectrum for zero interference and on premise data processing for total security. With Raygain, your data never leaves your site. Our end to end expertise covers the complete stack, from core implementation and RAN deployment to CU and DU integration. We give you 100% control over your network. Our capabilities power diverse industrial use cases, including connected workers, smart helmets, mission critical communication, push to talk, and preventive maintenance. The future of industrial connectivity is here. Secure your operations and scale your efficiency with Raygain Technologies. Visit raygain.com today.